Restoring Nature's Classroom is a collaborative effort between Bernheim Forest and the Sierra Club of Greater Louisville. And what we did was we teamed up to work with one school and bring that school out to Bernheim 3 times over the course of a school year in conjunction with 5 classroom visits. So bringing the students to Bernheim is a really special opportunity for a couple of reasons. First off, they're not going to experience what it's like to learn without walls, no ceilings, there isn't any fluorescent light. You're in a classroom that is surrounded by the beauty of nature. Also, it's an opportunity for Bernheim to further its mission to connect people with nature, and this is where that connection happens, is in nature's classroom.
But when you look down, what do you see?
Water.
Yeah, there's a creek down there. That's Rock Run Creek.
It's a very cool program because the kids are getting to see what the forest looks like in the fall and the winter and then again in the spring. And for some of our kids, this is the first experience they've ever had in a place like this. So not only is it exposing them to something new, but then it's also taking the science content that we teach in class and then bringing it outside so that they can see it in real life and realize that this isn't just contained to our classroom.
We talked about weathering and erosion, and how weathering takes big rocks and turns it to smaller rocks.
We got to see the creek, and then we got to talk about some rocks and how they got here and how rocks are formed. It was cool.